Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Ilona Smith. So today's video is going to be a little bit different to what I've done before. In today's video, grade 10s, this one's for you. What I'm going to do is I've taken the objectives as part of the Department of Education textbook, and I've shown how these objectives can be used as possible exam questions when you're writing exams for term 1. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. want to say thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope it was helpful and insightful. Like I said, it's a very different video, very different to anything I've posted on my channel before, but I thought let me try something new and something different. I hope it was impactful, and I want to wish you all the best for your tests this coming term, as well as your SPAs. I wish you guys all the best, and may we achieve skyrocketing marks. Bye for now.